Hello, John from Paved in Stone. I want to talk to you really quickly about slurry primer, you know, the stuff you put on the back of your tile before you lay it. So my own journey and experience, a few years ago, everyone was going on about SBR and cement slurry that you could make up yourself to increase your bridge bond, right? A lot of us jumped on that. Oh, great. And we saw the benefit of that. It sticks it down. You as a contractor walks away, you know that job's done, right? But the market's changed. Now you've got specialist products that are replacing that SBR and cement slurry primer. Now some people I hear going, oh, it's just an exercise in making money. Well, it is and it isn't, because actually I have seen SBR cement slurry fail. I've had my own problems with it. You know, you're working on it on a slightly warm day, it's going off really quickly, you're constantly making batches. Not to mention one time I had a tub of SBR explode in the back of the van after we'd loaded up, finishing a job, and that was just a nightmare to clean. So just thought to myself, there's an easier way to do this. Well, there is an easier way. So this is what we use. Pro Prime from Ultrascape. There's a few reasons why I like this, but this is the main reason that I really like this. It exceeds the requirements of BS 7533. If you're in landscaping, or if you're a customer looking to have some landscaping, and if you don't know what BS 7533 is, you've got to get on and just catch up, okay? The industry's changed, and the industry's changing for the better. We need this change. We need everybody to sing from the same page, both for customers and for contractors. So this slurry, really easy. It comes pre-made. Chuck a bit of water in. I like to do about half a bag or so at a time. Chuck a bit of water in and let's get that starting to bind. Just try and make sure we get all those edges folded in. Okay, and that's it, easy as that. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for texture. If you saw the Fuga-Pave video that we did, we're looking for the consistency. We're looking for a nice silky, creamy texture. So that's pretty good for me. But now what I'm going to do, because experience tells me, when I first make this batch, and I've got that roughly where I want, it's going to stiffen up in the next few minutes, just because the process is already starting. But don't worry, you can't keep this stuff going all day. So just after I've made it, I've got the consistency I want. I'm just going to put a little more water in there and just make it a little bit looser, because I'm just trying to mitigate that little initial stiffening up that it will go through. So another quick whiz, and there we go. And that's it. There's my slurry, ready to put on the back of my slabs. Cheers.